Compatible replacement brush head for BISSELL 1400 Little Green Mini. Brush bristles, hose, transparent cover, easy installation. Simply connected to the hose. Removable transparent cover. Removable insert. Visible stains. Ready to clean. Spray. Scrub. Extract. Sewage tank and brush head with water stains. Easy to take apart. Easy to rinse and clean. Put back together. Please feel free to consult more questions about us.